Prepare to be astounded, my friends. Another bridge that shocked the world was built in China. It's no secret that this magnificent sea dragon, known as the Jiaozhou Bay Bridge in Qingdao, Shandong, cost China nearly a staggering 10 billion. Now, some may wonder, why would China invest billions in constructing such an astounding bridge over the ocean? There's an ancient Chinese saying that holds the answer. If you want to get rich, build roads first. To develop, a country must pave the way to progress, and China's unwavering determination to achieve this is nothing short of remarkable. When this mammoth bridge emerged, it did so in one fell swoop, capturing the title of the world's longest sea-crossing bridge at the time. Click follow and be blown away by the sheer magnitude of this engineering marvel. Spanning a jaw-dropping 42.23 kilometers, this bridge journey begins from the heart of Qingdao's urban area, glides past the enchanting Red Island, and triumphantly reaches its destination at Yellow Island. The bridge section alone stretches a whopping 31.63 kilometers, with the awe-inspiring cross-sea portion extending a breathtaking 25.81 kilometers. To give you an idea of the Herculean effort behind this project, China devoured a whopping 450,000 tons of steel and gobbled up 2.3 million cubic meters of concrete. This bridge is built to stand the test of time, with a lifespan spanning centuries. Yet mindful of navigation needs, the piers have been meticulously designed to endure the fury of Category 12 typhoons and withstand the impact of a colossal 300,000-ton ship. But what truly sets this saga apart is the tenacity of over 30,000 dedicated builders who battled the elements, from scorching heat to brutal cold, even braving typhoons and snowstorms for a relentless 4-year stretch. When they finished, they had conjured a cross-sea dragon on the waves, an epic testament to human ambition, dedication, and the insurmountable spirit of innovation.